Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmishta and this is English with Sharmishta. Well, today I am going to talk about something really important which you will realize if you have patience to hear. It's all about self-confidence. Today I am going to give you a dose of self-confidence. Well, actually I am not going to prescribe you a capsule of self-confidence. I am going to give you a method to boost your self-confidence. Self-confidence is the key to start speaking in English, right? You might wonder, where is the key? Let's start with answering the question, what is self-confidence? Self-confidence is a belief in oneself, thinking, yes, I can do. And if there is an incapability, an openness to accept and an urge to learn. That is, if a person has self-confidence, the person will say, I can do, or I can learn and then I can do. Now, to be very honest, very few people are naturally confident. So those who are naturally confident, they are capable of doing a lot of things successfully and they are capable of accepting their own failures also. Here we are dealing with the maximum number of people who lose their self-confidence in the process of growing up. So after answering the question, what is self-confidence? Now let's get to the next question, that is, what stops us from being self-confident? People around us keep telling us we cannot do it. We cannot speak in English, or we cannot do this, or we cannot do that, because we are not naturally talented. This is one reason. Another reason is that a part of our own inner self keeps telling us that we cannot do it. We feed that part of our inner self by agreeing with it for a long time. Hence, we make it stronger. We start strongly believing that we cannot do this, or we cannot do that, or we can never speak in English. So we have got answer to the question, what stops us from being self-confident? Now to answer the last and the most important question, and that is how to gain self-confidence if you are not a naturally self-confident person. Firstly, we should try to know our own self. That is, know our own positive qualities and be aware of our own worth and appreciate them. That, my friend, is self-esteem. This self-esteem will tell you that you are a human being and there is no language on this earth that you cannot learn. And English is a language that you are quite acquainted with. So speaking in English is something that you can definitely do. The second thing that is to be done is to turn into a deaf towards those who say that you cannot or it's impossible by you. The question might occur to you, how to turn into a deaf? For example, when you are reading or watching something very interesting, you are often unable to hear somebody calling your name. That's because your attention is somewhere else. You can, if you want to, pay all your attention to practicing English speaking. Your attention can be so deep that you will be deaf towards those who are saying that you cannot or you are incapable of. Thirdly, how to deal with your own inner self which says that you cannot. Though you have fed your inner self which says you cannot and it has become stronger, but there is also another inner self inside you which has become weaker but which says in a weak voice that you can. Start listening to it. This will make it stronger. And that voice will urge you to go ahead, be confident and speak in English. So, if you will know your own inner worth, if you will turn a deaf ear towards those who say that you cannot, and if you will listen to your inner self which says that you can, you will definitely be able to speak in English and do many things which earlier you thought that it's impossible by you. At first you have to get started without worrying too much about grammar, and also you have to keep listening to those people who speak good English to learn how they construct their sentences. If you have patience and persistence, you will definitely be able to speak in English even if you had not had English medium education. You can do so well that no friend, neighbor, colleague or anyone could ever question your capability of speaking in English. So my dears, keep speaking, keep listening and be sure about your own worth. That's the end of today's video. If you liked my video, do like it, share it and subscribe to English with Sharmishta if you haven't already. And do take a very good care of yourself till I come with another video. Bye for today.